Good morning. I'm gonna try to vlog today. We'll see how this goes. This is my first time doing it, so wish me luck. But I have like a bunch of things to do and I'm hoping I can do it in enough time. I'm headed to the grocery store right now, and then I'll come back, make breakfast, and then I have to go to the mall to return some things. But I also wanted to purchase a new lip gloss, but I don't know if I will, just because like I feel like I'm on a time crunch, and I'm on like a time crunch. So I'm so sorry for the reflection of my glasses, but I'm blind, so you know they're real. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through my day with me as much as I can. I have my traveling phone, so that's what I'm recording on. So I will see you guys when I get to the store. Hey guys, so I decided to wash my car after I went to the grocery store. So we're at the car wash, and I was gonna make breakfast, but I honestly don't think I'll have time to eat twice before I leave. I think I'm just gonna have to suck it up and eat once. So I'm gonna just have lunch, and I wish I thought of this because I only got salmon, and this sounds so loud. I only got salmon. I have rice at home, but I was gonna make what I made last weekend, which was salmon, rice, and spinach. But I was like, I won't have time, and now I'm like, it's 9 o'clock, the mall opens at 10, and I want to be there when they open. So I think I'll just have time to just eat lunch, unfortunately, for me. So yeah, and then I just have to vacuum out my back seat real quick because my sister's hair was shedding. So, yep, that's an update, and car wash is done. Nice to know it takes 1:30 for this car wash. I guess I could make more of an effort to wash my car then, because if it's only 1:30, girl, what are you doing? Okay, bye! Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. I am headed home to do my makeup. I got a smoothie because I'm like, I may run out of time. So I got a smoothie with protein, and I ended up shopping at Victoria's Secret instead of just returning, but that's okay. I'm gonna wear the stuff that I got today, or one of the things today. And I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, so we are back. I'm about to do my makeup real quick. It's 11:38, so let's hope I'm done in an hour so I can make food and then head out. I might be a little late to my friend's bridal dress showing or whatever, shopping, but I think I'm okay with that just because I need to eat. I haven't eaten all day, so love her though. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna film the whole thing just because yeah, I don't think I'm gonna film the whole thing just because it's gonna be a lot of editing to put into one video. And this is also my first time vlogging, and this is my first time vlogging, so I don't know what's too much, what's too little, but I also don't want to make it an hour-long video either, because that's just ridiculous, and I don't have that many subscribers for that. So I will be popping in and out with the makeup, but I will see you guys shortly. so I am back. That was just my quick little touch up. I had threw my lip back on. So that's wrapping up my day. I am yeah, so that's wrapping up my day. This is what I look like. It is now 5:15. I have one more stop to make, but I will not be filming that. So I just want to do a send off. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my first kind of like vlog-ish kind of thing. It's a little wonky. Today was a lot, so I do apologize for any missing footage. I didn't film like everything, but I tried where I could. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more of like my like life-ish. Not crazy, because I'm not like gonna do that, but I'll do like some things. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.